Alright, so here are the connectors for the right hand and left hand controls. This is the thick connector for the right hand for the throttle controls, and this is the flat connector for the throttle control. I'll show you on the actual one in a second here. And I believe, let's see here. Yeah, this is for the left hand control. That's the one that controls, so that's this guy here. This guy here is what goes to these two here. It routes, they both route down through here. They come down through here behind the gauge cluster. They go in through here, tuck down through the headlight fairing, come through along, and then under the neck right behind that neck triple tree mount thing, the stem. This is not at all involved. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass to get to those things, but that's where the controls connect.